Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see about the cells of the immune system. Lymphocytes. In Latin, lympho means nymph and cyte means cell. Lymphocyte are a group of leukocytes belonging to the main type of cells found in the lymph and hence their name. All lymphocytes arise in the bone marrow. Lymphocytes constitute about 20% to 40% of the total body's WBC and 99% of the cells in the lymph. Approximately 10 to the power 11 lymphocytes in the human body. Lymphocytes circulate in the blood and lymph and are capable of migrating into the tissue spaces and lymphoid organs. Lymphocytes are divided into two groups based in their morphology: large lymphocyte and small cells lymphocyte. Large cells include NK cells and small lymphocytes include B lymphocyte known as B cell and T lymphocytes or T cells. Natural killer lymphocyte. Natural killer lymphocytes are large lymphocytes. They have a distinct granular cytoplasm. Natural killer lymphocytes are non-phagocytic cells. Natural killer lymphocytes attack and kill infected or cancerous body cells by secreting toxins on their surfaces. NK cells constitute 5 to 10% of lymphocytes in the human peripheral blood. NK cells do not have a membrane receptor for antigen, but they have NK cell receptors. NK cells adhere to infected target cell and induce their cell death via delivery of the apoptic signal, that is, programmed cell death in the multicellular organism mediated by the perforins. Perforin means pore-forming cytolytic protein, and granzyme, which means serine protease released by the cytoplasmic granules within cytotoxic T cells, and tumor necrosis factor, cell signaling proteins involved in systemic inflammation. It is a type of cytokine. By effector interaction via their surface fast ligand molecule, that is the transmembrane protein, with Fas on the target cell. NK cell can also kill through antibody-dependent cell-mediated cytotoxicity mechanism via cell surface receptor for constant domain present on the immunoglobulins. B lymphocyte, also called B cell, and B cell matured in the bone marrow. B cells circulate in the blood and disperse into various lymphoid organs where they become activated. Their cell surface antigen receptor are known as B cell receptor. Mature activated B cell is called plasma cell. Plasma cell produce and secrete these antibodies. Plasma cells are terminally differentiated cells and many die in 1 or 2 weeks. The genesis of mature B cell from the pluripotent progenitor stem cell occurs in the bone marrow and is antigen independent. The activation of B cell into antibody producing and antibody secreting cell, that is plasma cell, is antigen dependent. Mature cell can have 1 to 1.5 into 10 power 5 immunoglobulin receptors for antigen. If B cell also interact with T helper cell, they proliferate and switch to the isotype of the immunoglobulin that is produced while retaining the same antigen binding specificity. B cell plays a major role in humoral immunity.
Let us say this is a naive B cell. Naive B cell is a B cell which has not encountered any antigen yet. And this is a pathogen. So when a naive B cell encounters an antigen, it matures into plasma cell. And this plasma cell produces antibodies which are specific to that.
T lymphocyte. T lymphocyte, also called T cell. T lymphocyte derive their name from their site of maturation in the thymus. Their cell surface antigen receptor are known as T cell receptors. T cells are involved in regulation of immune response and cell-mediated immunity. It also helps B cell to produce antibody. T lymphocytes are classified into three types. They are T helper lymphocyte, CD4 molecules, cytotoxic T lymphocyte, CD8 molecule, and natural killer T cells, NKTs. T helper lymphocyte, CD4 molecules, adhesion molecule that binds to the class II MHC molecule, cytotoxic T lymphocyte, adhesion molecule that binds to the class I MHC molecule, natural killer T cell, are a heterogeneous group of T cell that share the properties of both T cell and NK cell. They recognize the foreign lipid and glycolipid and constitute only 0.2% of all peripheral blood T cell. Thank you.